Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an online store with Hostinger. So before you do anything, go ahead to the official website and make sure to log in and select a plan. And if you want to select the best plan that suits your needs and get a discount, please visit the link in the description box. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead to the official website. Alright, and if you want to set up an online store, first you need to enable and set up an online platform. Right, start with enabling the e-commerce platform on your website. This way you will get access to store management area. There you will create products, set up payments and shipping methods, manage orders, and customize all the store settings. Okay, you can go ahead to the e-commerce right here, and if you want to know how to do it, go ahead to the online store right here, right, to enable the e-commerce, and then click add store. All right, in this way a sample product list section is inserted into your page. You can summarize it later. Now again, expand the online store panel on the left and click manage store. Right, click right here, and then insert the title of your business and click continue. Select the country and the currency and then continue. After that, you'll be redirected to your store management area. Okay, so now let's go back. We on to the next step, create a product. Right, you may create up to 500 products, and each of your products may have up to 50 options. The e-commerce platform supports physical products, digital products, services, donations, and appointments. All right. Step 3, display your products on your website. And once you created products, product pages are created automatically. However, remember that products are not automatically displayed on your website. Right. Step 4, set up payment methods. You can enable two types of payments in your store: online payments and manual. Right, and to set it up, go to the store settings and then payments. Step 5, set up delivery methods. You can create an unlimited number of shipping zones and up to 20 shipping options per shipping zone. To set it up, go to the store and then click shipping right here. If you want to get to know more about shipping and how to create shipping, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the store settings and then rename the shipping zone if necessary, right? And then add the country and select all the preferred countries. Finally, save the changes by clicking save at the bottom right, and then you can manage the shipping shipping method from there. Okay, step 6, check the general store settings. Step 7, check the shopping bag settings. And step 8, right, and step 7, of course, you can enable or disable the shipping bag in your website header settings. And if you want to know more about it, you can go ahead right here, toggle the enable shipping bag button to create or disable, to enable or disable the shopping bag. You can also change the icon text and size here, right, by enabling or disabling. Right, you could change the color of the shopping bag icon, open the style tab, and then change the header text color. Right, and then step 8, customize the website to match your brand style. This is of course optional. And check the SEO settings or search engine optimizer. Right, and in short, SEO is about how well your website performs in search engines like Google. It depends on many various factors. That includes the keywords and the products targeted and all that. And again, and the last 2 steps, you need to publish the website once you're ready. Right, go and publish, and then grow your business by sharing your products on various social media accounts. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.